Our online events are a great way to explore DigiPen from wherever you may be. Whichever experience you choose, we look forward to sharing more of our DigiPen community with you.
Our online information sessions take place throughout the year and cover a variety of topics, from the admissions process and financial aid to the DigiPen student experience. Check out our list of these interactive live streams and register for any and all that might interest you. If you can't attend live, we invite you to register anyways. We'd be happy to send you follow-up information related to your topic of interest, and attending any of these online information sessions will waive your application fee.
No matter where you are in the world, we offer online options for you to interact with our DigiPen community here in Redmond, Washington. We're here to help you learn more about DigiPen, whether you're interested in informative live streams or one-on-one conversations.
You can also chat with admissions representatives and our current student ambassadors on Discord. We share announcements and take questions through our DigiPen Admissions Chat Discord server. You can connect with us live during our office hours or leave us a question at your convenience, and we'll respond at the start of the next business day.
Our online events are a great way to explore DigiPen from wherever you may be. Whichever experience you choose, we look forward to sharing more of our DigiPen community with you.